Hi, my name's Matt Hanbury. I'm the founder of Lightly Technologies. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video and show you some more about Hikari Square, our new ultra-thin LED light source that we're bringing to market. So firstly, a quick look at the box. This is what you will receive in the post. To get hold of one, just place an order through our website, which is lightly.tech. Quick look at the back, just has the contents, some information saying that these are actually engineering prototypes. Our main production launch will be in June 2018, and so these are not for commercial use. So what I'll do is I'll dive straight in to the unboxing and look at what you get inside the Hikari Square developer kit. So take that over there. You have 5 connectors. We have an LED driver, the quick start guide, and then you get 4 ultra thin Hikari Square modules. So there you go. So just having a quick look at the contents here. Firstly, we have an 8 watt, 250 milliamp LED driver, which is included. This will power either 1 or 2 Hikari Square modules, and I'll show you how to connect that in a second. We then have 5 WAGO connectors to make connecting and prototyping really easy. And then the quick start guide, which I'll show you, contains some information saying what I just said, that you can plug 2 of the Hikari Square modules into this driver. If you want to use all 4 at the same time, then you can just use a 20 watt LED driver and set the current accordingly. So this has a series wiring diagram for 2 modules to the LED driver, and that's what we're going to do in this video. One thing that you'll need to provide yourself will be a power plug, and you'll need to strip back the live and neutral wires ready to be connected into the WAGO connectors. And of course, don't plug it into the mains until you have the rest of the circuit connected up to the driver. So the first thing that we're going to do, looking at the quick start guide, we'll prepare the driver. So I'm going to take out 4 of the WAGO connectors to attach to this. And we'll just put 1 on each of the ends of the driver. And the next step that I will do is attach it to my mains cable. So bringing that round and matching up the blue and the brown wires. And once those connected, just making sure that it's secure within the WAGO connector. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take out 1 of the Hikari Square modules. So these will come pre-packaged individually, so you just need to remove the outer casing. So having a first quick look at the Hikari Square module. So this is 3.2 millimeters thick. It is 10 by 10 centimeters, and then you have a very thin 5 millimeter bezel around all of 4 edges. So it has the appearance of an OLED module, but it uses LED technology, and so we have much better performance in terms of light output, efficacy, and lifetime, and also fantastic color rendering of CRI 90. What I'll do is I'll start connecting these to the LED driver. So now I've taken the outer packaging off the Hikari Square modules, and we're ready to assemble this into the circuit. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the red output from the LED driver and connect that to the red wire of the first Hikari Square module. Then I'm going to take the final connector, attach that to the black channel of the first Hikari Square module. And then taking the second module, because these are in series, it's going to come next into the red wire of the second Hikari Square module. Finally, the black wire from the second module goes into the connector with the black driver wire. There you go. And so we have simply a series circuit set up with 2 of the Hikari Square modules here. gonna prepare the power supply ready to turn these on together. So I've plugged in the mains power supply and I will just switch that on now. And there you go. So we have 2 in series, and so each Hikari Square module is producing 300 lumens. As I said, each are CRI 90. In the developer kit, we are launching with a 3000 Kelvin color temperature, but when we come to production launch, we're also going to be doing 2700 and 4000 Kelvin as well. So just to look at some of the other key technical specifications of Hikari Square. So the nominal light output is 300 lumens, but this can be increased all the way up to 400 lumens from the same 10 by 10 centimeter module by increasing the current supply. The modules just use standard LED drivers with constant current, and so can be used in conjunction with RSET drivers to really finely tune the light output. At nominal light output of 300 lumens, we have an efficacy of 80 lumens per watt. We have a beam angle of 100 degrees, which means that there is a reduced glare. So I'm just going to turn off the Hikari module so you can see more what I'm talking about. So some more great features of Hikari Square. As they use LED drivers, they're fully dimmable on DALI and touch and dim and 0 to 10 volt dimming circuits. They can be wired in series or parallel, which enables you to create arrays of Hikari Square modules on a single driver. So we've had arrangements of up to 10 on a single 50 watt driver. In terms of other aspects of building these into luminaires and luminaire design, the front face of the Hikari Square module is completely flush, which means you can mount this directly to glass or clear plastic. On the back side there is a thermal pad which distributes the heat of the LEDs which are producing the light. The Hikari Square runs at a very low temperature, even at the 300 lumen and up to 400 lumens. So at 300 lumens, the TC point, which is here, is not marked on the current prototype version here, would be at 50 degrees C, which allows you to mount these directly onto wood and onto plastics as well as metal. So that's a very quick introduction to Hikari Square and our developer kits. These are available to order off our website. That'll be in the description. It's lightly.tech, and the developer kits cost £100 or 115 euros for 4 of the Hikari Square modules and the driver and connectors. Please feel free to send us an email if you have any questions on the technology ahead or after you've bought the developer kit. We're really excited to see the kind of products and luminaires that you are going to design using Hikari Square. Thanks again.